Sawadee krap. That's how you say hello in Thailand, a country where every greeting comes with a genuine smile and a sense of warmth that instantly makes you feel at home. Hello everyone and welcome to Thailand. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, this magical land has something new and exciting waiting for you at every turn. This is a country that captures the heart and soul of every traveler. The people here are known for their hospitality, and you'll quickly discover why Thailand is called the Land of Smiles. The energy here is a beautiful mix of ancient traditions and modern life. In the same city, you'll see golden temples standing tall beside gleaming skyscrapers, and monks walking peacefully past bustling markets. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with warm smiles, amazing street food aromas, and a vibrant culture that's impossible to resist. The flavors, the colors, and the sounds of Thailand will awaken your senses. It's a place full of life, flavor, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're dancing at a festival, sharing laughs with new friends at a beach bar, or exploring the city's nightlife, every moment feels special. We're going to explore the best of what this country offers, from its iconic landmarks to its hidden corners. Get ready to be amazed by breathtaking scenery and vibrant city life. From the bustling streets of its capital to the serene islands in the south, Thailand's diversity is truly remarkable. You'll find adventure, relaxation, and inspiration wherever you go. We'll wander through ancient temple ruins that whisper stories of the past, and relax on beautiful beaches where turquoise waters meet powdery white sand. This isn't just a list, it's a culinary and cultural adventure. You'll taste world-famous dishes, learn to cook Thai food, and witness traditional performances that have been passed down for generations. So get ready for an epic adventure. Pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and prepare to make memories that will last a lifetime. We're counting down the top 9 places you must visit in Thailand, each one offering its own unique charm and unforgettable experiences, including a few hidden gems not found in typical travel guides. These are the places that will surprise you, inspire you, and make your journey truly one of a kind. Grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into Thailand's beauty and wonder. Take notes, dream big, and start planning your own adventure. Whether you're dreaming of white sand beaches, ancient temples, or vibrant night markets, Thailand has it all. There's something here for every traveler, no matter your style or interests. Today we're counting down the top 9 places in Thailand you can't miss. Get ready to discover the highlights and the hidden treasures that make this country so special, including a few hidden gems you've probably never heard of. Let's begin our journey through the Land of Smiles and uncover the magic that awaits you in Thailand. We begin our journey in Bangkok, the vibrant heart of Thailand, a city that never seems to sleep. Here, ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating a unique energy that pulses through every street and alleyway. This city is an incredible assault on the senses. Everywhere you look, there's movement, color, and life. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, the chatter of locals, and the constant hum of traffic. The sounds of tuk-tuks weaving through traffic, the sizzle of street food being cooked right before your eyes, and the sight of gleaming skyscrapers standing side by side with centuries-old temples, all combine to create a cityscape unlike any other. The Grand Palace is truly breathtaking, its golden spires reaching for the sky, adorned with intricate carvings and shimmering mosaics that tell stories of Thailand's rich history and royal heritage. Wat Pho, home to the magnificent reclining Buddha, is both massive and peaceful, a sanctuary where you can escape the city's rush and marvel at the sheer scale and beauty of this sacred site. Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, offers unforgettable sunset views as the last rays of sunlight dance across the Chao Phraya River, painting the temple's spires in gold and pink. But Bangkok's soul is truly found in its food, especially on Yaowarat Road in Chinatown, where the streets come alive at night with sizzling woks, neon lights, and the laughter of people sharing a meal. As darkness falls, the city transforms into a giant, open-air restaurant with vendors serving up everything from spicy noodles to exotic desserts, and the air filled with the irresistible scent of fresh cooking. You can find everything here, from grilled seafood that's just come off the fire, to sweet mango rice that melts in your mouth. Every bite is a new adventure, a taste of Bangkok's diverse culture. Navigating the city is an adventure in itself. Hop on a long-tail boat to glide through the canals, or jump into a tuk-tuk for a thrilling ride through the bustling streets. Bangkok is a city you don't just see, you feel it, taste it, and live it. Every moment here is filled with discovery, from hidden markets to lively street corners. Embrace the chaos, talk to locals, and eat everything you can. Let yourself get lost in the rhythm of the city, and you'll find memories that last a lifetime. Bangkok is an essential first stop, a city that welcomes you with open arms and leaves you wanting more. From Bangkok we travel north to Chiang Mai. The pace slows down, the air is cooler, and the scenery is greener. Chiang Mai is the cultural heart of northern Thailand. Wat Phra that Doi Suthep offers breathtaking views. Chiang Mai is a center for ethical animal encounters. The Yipeng Lantern Festival is a magical spectacle. Chiang Mai invites you to slow down and soak it all in. It's a beautiful escape. Let's step back in time to Ayutthaya Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and former capital of the Siamese Kingdom. The ruins are hauntingly beautiful. Rent a bicycle to explore the massive, crumbling brick jetties. The famous Buddha head entwined in a banyan tree is iconic. Ayutthaya is a paradise for history lovers and photographers. The contrast of ruins against the landscape is stunning. It's a quiet, contemplative place, a necessary pilgrimage to understand Thai culture. Our journey takes us to Pai, a laid-back town in a picturesque valley. Pai is a bohemian paradise with stunning scenery. Rent a scooter to explore vibrant rice paddies and peaceful villages. Pai Canyon offers exhilarating walks and breathtaking views. Soak in the Pai hot springs or visit waterfalls like Mo Pang. Pai is a breath of fresh mountain air. We head south to Thailand's largest island, Phuket, a tropical paradise with world-class beaches and vibrant nightlife. Patong Beach is the heart of the action. For a relaxed vibe, head to Kata or Koron beaches. Phuket Old Town surprises with its colorful architecture. Take a day trip to the legendary Phi Phi Islands. Island hopping from Phuket is a must-do. From the Big Buddha to Bangla Road, Phuket is full of contrasts. It's the classic Thai island experience. Just a short ride from Phuket, you'll find yourself arriving in Krabi, a region that feels like a world apart. Krabi is more laid back than its bustling neighbors, a place where nature takes center stage. Here, dramatic limestone karsts rise majestically from emerald waters, creating a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. Railay Beach, tucked away between towering cliffs, is a secluded paradise accessible only by boat, making it feel like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. For adventurers, Krabi is a world-class destination for rock climbing, drawing climbers from around the globe to test their skills on its iconic cliffs. The adventure continues on the water. Paddle through winding mangrove forests, explore mysterious sea caves, and discover hidden lagoons that feel untouched by time. Beyond the beaches, Krabi Town offers a glimpse into authentic Thai life, with bustling markets, friendly locals, and vibrant street scenes. For those seeking a challenge, hike the steep stairs to Tiger Cave Temple, where you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views stretching across the lush landscape. Krabi is where natural beauty meets adventure at every turn, offering endless opportunities to explore, relax, and reconnect with nature. For nature lovers and thrill seekers alike, Krabi is truly a dream come true, a place where unforgettable memories are made. We head to Koh Lipe, the Maldives of Thailand. Koh Lipe is a small paradise island with pristine beaches. The water is unbelievably clear and turquoise. Walk from one beach to another easily. The island is surrounded by vibrant coral reefs. Walking Street comes alive with reggae bars and seafood stalls. Koh Lipe is about disconnecting and reconnecting with nature. No cars, just a few motorcycle taxis. It's a little slice of heaven. We head inland to Khao Sok National Park, home to one of the oldest rainforests in the world. Chiao Lan Lake is a stunning emerald green lake. Stay in floating bungalows for an unforgettable experience. Explore hidden corners, kayak in quiet coves, and trek through the jungle. The wildlife is incredible with elephants, gibbons, and more. Khao Sok offers a different kind of Thai adventure. It's about disconnecting and immersing in nature. A must-visit for nature and adventure lovers. We travel to Sukhothai, the first capital of the Kingdom of Siam. Sukhothai Historical Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is spacious, manicured, and peaceful. Rent a bicycle to explore magnificent temples. Wat Mahathat is the centerpiece with breathtaking reflections. Sukhothai is less crowded, allowing for reflection. It's a place for appreciating the artistic and spiritual legacy. Sukhothai represents the dawn of a nation. It's the perfect end to our journey. Our journey through Thailand's top 9 places ends here. From Bangkok's energy to Sukhothai's peace, Thailand offers diverse experiences. Each destination has its own magic and story. Thailand gets under your skin and into your heart. It's a place of adventure, relaxation, and discovery. This list is just the beginning of your journey. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Keep exploring, keep being curious, and keep collecting memories. Until next time, keep exploring.